Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Lynn with Planwithlienn with 2 N's in the back. I will put my planner Instagram on the screen for you to follow me, of course. Just wanted to show y'all what I had got from the AliExpress, the Moterm. It's my first purchase from Moterm. It's my first purchase from AliExpress, so it was definitely a unique experience because I heard that shipping from AliExpress takes forever, but I did wanted to tell y'all that I did get the limited imperfect personal size, and I did get it for $45 or $45.86, and then shipping fee is $1.26. But I did purchase it on July 29th, 2020, and so I did receive it on August 22nd, 2020. So it did take a good while for me to get it. Wow, okay. This is cute. Okay, so let me tell you more specifics. The Litchi pink, which I will put on the screen of the name of the color that I did get. This is a personal size, so I've never had a personal size pink color before. And so this is how it came in, and it does say imperfect. So I'm thinking there's some flaws on it, which I don't really see much, honestly. Maybe some dentions, but I mean, it's a good price just to have a personal planner. It's a very pretty pink, and I can't wait to, let me see if the rings are flawed or not. So these are closed, and the top one's kind of open a little bit, but it's not too bad. But it's something, as long as the pages go through it and not get stuck, should be fine. But anyways, like I said, this is my first time purchasing a Moterm, especially in a personal size, and so it does have a little zipper right here. You can put coupons or money or stickers in here, and then it does come with a pocket right here as well. I never noticed, so the inside color of the zipper part is kind of like a chocolatey brown, or like a, yeah, kind of like a dark cherry brown. It's really pretty though. Here's the color. Okay, and then it does have a big big pocket right here, and then the rings are, I believe, are 25 millimeters. Okay, and then these inserts, of course, I'm not going to keep them in here. I'll probably just take them out, because I do have my inserts from Marcia Bermucci just came in. And so here is another. Okay, so I could see why I was kind of so this was a little stuck, and you can kind of see how, I guess it's been in the box for a really long time, and so kind of got stuck on here. I thought it was gum for a moment, but anyways, they have 1 pocket, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So they're not big pockets, they are really small pockets in each individual one, because most times pockets get deeper, but it's really the exact same amount. And then here's 1 big pocket back here as well. It does come with a pin loop right here. And so I'm really shocked that this is a brown color, but I mean, it's still really pretty. And then it has 1 big pocket in the back, which is really nice. And so let me open this. Okay, and it comes with 1, 2, 3 pockets as well. And it is a really smooth leather. I really didn't expect I would, I don't know, I really fell in love with the color, but I didn't expect the leather to feel as smooth, but I really like it. Even though the shipping kind of took forever, but the price was really well worth it. I can see why a lot of people in the planner community invested in or is addicted to Moterm. So I'll put that in there. But yes, So, like I said, this is the personal size, and it does come with just one button, but I'm just glad that there's a pin loop. And it's big enough for me to put a fountain pen in it. Because some pin loops, they're really, really tiny, but this one has stretchable, so you could probably put more than one pin in here, but my fountain pens are pretty thick, but I can't wait. So this is how it looks at the top. But I don't really see any bad imperfections, honestly, just maybe a few dent every now and then and some discoloration, but I mean maybe just my lighting. But for the price, like I said earlier, it really isn't that expensive. It's just having to wait to receive it is a long wait. But anyway, so this is my unboxing of my Moterm impersonal size binder rings. So just a little heads up, I will be doing a collab video once I set this baby up. I will be doing a collab video with my girl Nina. It's been so long since I've done a collab video or a planner video in general, so make sure you stay tuned for that. You hit the notification bell so you know when I upload that collab video with Nina, and I will definitely I can't wait to get back into the planner game. It's just because, you know, with this whole pandemic happening and things like that. And subscribe to be part of my YouTube channel. And like I said earlier, I will be popping out more planner videos for you guys. Follow my planner Instagram. It's at Planwithlienn, 2 N's in the back. See you guys. Bye.